Just 1 glass of this drink before going to bed may help you reduce body fat, especially stubborn belly fat. This drink is easy to prepare, and it's known for being simple, natural, and effective when used consistently as part of a healthy lifestyle. Belly fat can sometimes be extremely stubborn to deal with, but instead of feeling hopeless, here's a simple yet powerful drink that may help support your weight loss journey and help you start reducing excess belly fat over time. When you go to sleep, your metabolism naturally slows down compared to when you are awake and active. And the goal of this drink is to help support your metabolism during rest, so your body continues working efficiently while you sleep. Now let's break it down. How honey works. Honey is a natural alternative to refined sugar, and it's absorbed more gradually by the body compared to regular sugar. That means instead of a sudden sugar spike, your body gets a steadier release of energy. How cinnamon works. Cinnamon may help support healthy blood sugar levels and improve how your body processes glucose. Stable blood sugar is important because high levels can contribute to fat storage. Cinnamon may also support better insulin function, which plays a role in weight management. Now here's how to make the drink. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of organic honey, 1 teaspoon of organic cinnamon, and 1 cup of filtered water. Directions: first, add the cinnamon into a large cup. Next, boil 1 cup of water and pour it over the cinnamon. Let it steep for about 15 minutes. Then allow it to cool completely. Finally, add the honey only after the liquid has cooled. Important note: never add honey to hot water, because heat can destroy some of its natural beneficial properties. How to take it. Drink this twice a day. Half a cup in the morning on an empty stomach, and half a cup before going to bed. With consistency, many people notice improved energy levels and better overall balance in their daily routine. Remember, no single drink alone will burn fat instantly, but combined with good nutrition, movement, and healthy habits, it can support your weight loss goals. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple health tips like this.